Before we do any microneedling at Refine Med Spa, I'm going to perform a dermaplane on this patient. It helps get rid of the dead tissue off the skin. It's a great form of exfoliation, and it allows the PDRN that we're going to microneedle into the tissue go in a lot deeper for way better results. The dermaplane is included with all of our microneedling sessions at Refine Med Spa. It's one of our custom and signature treatments here that we offer. What patients love about dermaplaning is it gets rid of the vellus hair, making the skin look very smooth and flawless once their tissue heals. It's probably one of our top treatments that we do here at Refine Med Spa. We're gonna numb this patient before we do microneedling, just for comfort. It can be a little bit of a spicy treatment without numbing, so we're gonna do that for her for about 25 minutes. While she numbs, I will put red light therapy on her to help with tissue healing. It's a complimentary service that we add at Refine Med Spa. I always make sure I numb eyebrows, earlobes, all those places we wanna get the microneedling in because it shows signs of aging and also helps stimulate hair growth. Okay, I'm getting all the numbing cream off of her skin. She's nice and numb. How do you feel, Stacy?
Great.
Good. Yeah, we want the patient nice and comfortable. If a patient ever wanted nitrous oxide, we could also add that on to the service. Helps calm patients' anxiety. So this is the PDRN. It's very popular right now to microneedle in. This is salmon stem cells, and it gives the skin a nice glow and helps the tissue heal post microneedling. It's important when you're microneedling not to go too deep. I get a lot of patients that come in and ask, I want to make sure that I'm bleeding post microneedling, and oftentimes that's not what we want. The tissue is very thin in certain areas, and we want to make sure that we're doing the right depth. So it's important to go to somebody who understands anatomy and is very professional and experienced. As you can see, I'm getting into her hairline. I want to stimulate hair growth. I always say as we age, we lose hair in places we want it, and we gain hair in places we don't. I'm doing her eyebrows right now to stimulate hair growth. Women often complain that they lose their eyebrows with age. So I will go a little bit deeper on the cheek area. She's got a little bit more subcutaneous tissue here. And before we did this microneedling procedure, Stacy bought Obagi products and prepped 2 weeks before. Her favorite moisturizer is the Luck. I always get the earlobe. It's an area where a lot of people forget. After this microneedling session using PDRN, you'll notice that patients aren't nearly as red as they used to be with other products that a lot of med spas use, because it just combats that inflammation right away. One thing to remember with microneedling is deeper is not better. You want to make sure that you're doing the appropriate depth of the tissue that the patient has. So you want to have a good eye for what you're doing here, because if you go too deep, you can cause more harm than good. At Refine Med Spa, we always include microneedling the neck whenever you get a microneedling service to the face. So not only do we do a dermaplane, but it comes with the neck as well. The total time for this treatment takes about 1 hour from start to finish. And you can see with this product that we're using, the PDRN, there's not a lot of downtime, which is really, really nice. I do recommend that you don't wear makeup for 48 hours. Okay, last but not least, I finish up the microneedling session with, of course, sunscreen. I'm using Obagi Tinted. It looks really beautiful on the skin, and it kind of helps hide some of the redness from the treatment. It's important to stay out of the sun for the next few days after a treatment like this, and to wear sunscreen every single day.